Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features category. Here we have to pick the shooting methods. And now at the second place we have voice commands option and the short information that this option allows us to take pictures by saying some keywords like smile, cheese, capture, shoot, and record videos by saying record video. By using this button from the right we can turn it on or turn it off as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera and let's try to use this. So let me take a picture without touching the screen by saying, for example, smile. And as you can see, the photo was taken. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.